So I'm on my way to meet a guy from the DPW in South Orange. We got a grant from the Nature Conservancy. Where are my keys? Nature Conservancy and Sustainable Jersey to do some reforestation, and I gotta go meet with the Department of Public Works to talk to them about the site. The plantings are going to be going up in about 2 weeks. We've got about 300 trees and shrubs we're going to be planting in this area that right now is just a bunch of grass. But the Arbor Day is this Friday, so we're going to do a small tree planting on Arbor Day of 2 red buds. So we're going to go to the site, look at it, and figure out where we're going to put those 2 so that it is in accordance with the existing planting plan. So this is the site. You can see it behind me. It goes all the way, it's like almost a full block. I'll walk it with you so you can see exactly what's going on. So right now this is just a long strip. You can see there's a baseball field across the street and there's houses everywhere. Right now this is just basically a grass area. Kind of comes along. The name of the street is Clark Street, and goes all the way down. You can see there's people walking. It's about that far to the next house. So we have a planting plan that will totally change the space, where we're gonna put in about over 300 plants. We're gonna put in over 300 plants all throughout here. It's gonna be really cool. It's just another one of the projects that we are doing, that I've been doing with South Orange, to this kind of ecologically based, but with a little bit of design in it, involved with it too. I mean, so often I think that ecological projects or green infrastructure projects are a little too heavy on the technical and not a lot of focus on the design aspect. So for example, when I was doing the planting plan for this area, what I looked at was everything I picked will flower and will attract pollinators like birds and butterflies and bees and stuff like that, because that's just an additional aspect to a reforestation project. So by the time we're done, not all this grass, but a lot of this grass will disappear, and you'll have like a pathway that walks through this entire space, all the way from starting way back there and coming all the way to there. And so today though, I'm meeting with a guy named Mike, and we're going to be putting these flags into where we're going to do a small planting this Friday, and then we'll do the rest of the planting in early May. Another really important characteristic or aspect of this project is that this space is right beside the river. You can't see it. This is knotweed. All this stuff in front of me growing, that's knotweed. It's already that big, and it's not even May yet. Let's see if I can get a shot of the river. There we go. There you go. And the thing about the river right here is that one side is just a big wall, and then this side that I'm on is still fairly steep. So when a lot of water runs in there, it's acting like a wall. And when a river is like this, what happens is that as the water goes in, when it rains and all this water is flooding into the space, because it can't go over the banks, the speed and velocity of this water gets super fast. So as it does hit a turn downstream is when it'll jump. That's when it jumps, and It's actually, though, the way this is built is supposed to help with flooding and prevent flooding. Now, because we're getting so much more rain, it is contributing to the flooding. This is the site from the other direction. You can kind of see it widens out on this side, and it narrows in the middle, and then it spreads out again. Over there, just on the other side of that fence, is the river. We're going to plant all of this space. It's going to be really, really awesome. Very excited about that. That's Mike. Come over. And he's just going to drop off